Toys, we got the Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Donald's Lost Lion book. Come read with us. Look, there's Mickey Mouse. Let's play with Donald and Mickey today. Just say, Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Let's go in the clubhouse. There is Donald Duck. Oh no, he has lost his toy. It is a lion named Sparky. He can roar. Donald can't go to sleep without him. We must find, do you know what that says, Lottie? Sparky. Before bedtime. Here is Toodles. He can come to help. His tools can help us find Sparky. What tools will we use today? We will use what is that? Microphone. What's this?
Ladder.
A ladder and what's this?
Scuba.
Scuba? That's a mask.
Yeah.
Where could Sparky be? First, Donald went to the pond. Maybe Sparky fell in the pond. Which tool can we use to find out? Which tool? We will use the
Mask.
mask. No. What does this say? Sparky did not fall into the pond. Next, Donald went to the park. Maybe, what does this say?
Maybe.
Sparky went up the tree. Which tool can we use to find out?
A ladder.
We will use the
Ladder.
No, Sparky did not go up the tree. Then Donald went to the beach. Look, Goofy is at the beach. Goofy saw a lion. It had big green eyes. The lion made a big roar. Could Sparky be here at the beach? Which tool can we use to find out? We will use the microphone. Maybe we can hear him. What does this say?
Wow.
Roar. Everybody listens for Sparky. They hear three things. First, they hear bees. After that, they hear frogs. Then they hear a monkey. Donald finds what is that? Monkey on the sand. What's a monkey doing on the sand? What do they hear next? They hear a roar. It sounds like Sparky. But they don't see Sparky. They see Pete. Pete has Sparky. Donald is very, very happy. But Pete is sad. He lost his best toy. He lost his monkey. Do you see the monkey, Lottie? Where? Where's the monkey? Yeah? Donald gives the monkey to Pete. Pete gives Sparky to Donald. Now everybody is happy. It's time for Donald to go home. Good night, Donald. Good night, Sparky. Roar. Thanks for reading with us today, guys, on Kids Dream Toys. This is the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Donald's Lost Lion book. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kids Dream Toys.